So, actually
Mm.
matagal na 'tong nasulat, 2012 pa 'to, I don't know ba't ngayon lang nila, inanimate. Siguro that's the reason kaya may talks na ito daw yung nag-originate ng, gan'tong genre, So
Isekai.
ayun, siguro isekai anime. Hindi naman sa'tin bago yung, gan'tong concept 'di ba? Kasi bago pa siya tawaging isekai like way back in 90s marami ng ganyang concept, like, um, as far as I remember, meron yung Magic Knight Rayearth,
Mm.
yung Monster Rancher. So, di ko alam yung mga Japanese title nila, so depende lang 'to sa title na rinote up nung GMA7 dati. So ayun, Fushigi, ano pa bang mga gano'ng concept dati,
Yung Ray Earth,
ah, oo yung Rare Earth, yun nasabi ko
yeah.
nung una.
Magic Knight Ray
So,
Earth, 'di ba?
isa pa sa mga nagustuhan ko yung world building, this is like, let's say, who's that author? Like Lord of the Rings, Tolkien, Tolkien of
Tolkien.
Isekai
Tolkien R.
anime, that's right. So of
Tolkien.
course, it may just be exaggeration pero the way, the author, built, kay this, world here talagang detailed din. Yung
Mm.
may sariling government, kada region, naisipan niya rin yung, educational system, yung magical world, parang university, mga ganyan,
Hmm.
culture, family values, and other elements na bumubuo sa gan'tong, genre. So, um, so isa yun sa mga let's say appeal niya para sa akin and then nandun na rin siguro yung, longingness for that sense of adventure. Kasi na-brought up to din ng mga ibang let's say, reviewers, ng anime na sabi nila, bihira na lang daw. Which is for me hindi nila masyadong na-clarify yun, Kasi kung tutuusin maraming adventure animes. Let's
Yep.
say, One Piece, 'di ba? Almost
Mm.
all shonen animes adventure. But I believe what, they meant here is that, sense of journey na parang Lord of the Rings na pupunta ka sa let's say sa iba't ibang lugar, let's say, by land, mga jungles, iba't ibang klase ng environment na pupuntahan mo.
Yeah.
So,
That's what
I believe
that's what makes One Piece very good. Kasi every arc, every island na pupuntahan niya is different, 'di ba? That's the type of like sense of adventure na hinahanap kasi ng mga tao.
tama ka
Mm.
diyan. So ito sa Mushoku Tensei, it's the like magical, journey. So in terms of, animation, yung season 1, kasi parang yung entry level ko sa sa Mushoku Tensei, I was, so amazed kasi talagang naramdaman mo yung yung effort or yung care ng mga animator sa paggawa ng mga surroundings, yung mga kabundukan, the sceneries. Talagang
Mm.
talaga, well made.
Mm.
Kaya lang, Studio Bind, ito yung pangalan ng studio, parang 'to, first, major project nila, Mushoku Tensei.
Oh.
So, yeah, we all thought na sa mga nakapanood ng, anime na they are designated for this project only kaya ine-expect namin na like continuous yung quality for the next
Mm.
seasons.
Hmm.
So, ang take ko kasi dito since entry level 'to, kung nag-earn sila dito, madadagdagan yung projects nila. They will, hire more, freelancers na animators and, yun nga yung nangyari. So, nagkaroon ng additional project,
Yung
oo.
focus nila nawala.
Exactly.
Mm.
So, yeah, parang they use that quality from the first season, like to earn and then use it for, other projects and of course, for the same anime na rin. Parang nabawasan na yung quality ng, animation. Though, I wouldn't say na bago talaga siya ng todo. Parang naging selective na lang sila or
Mm.
strategic. Pipili na lang sila ng scenes na deserve ng, like, better, quality ng animation. So, hindi na katulad like nung season 1 na mas maraming scenes na parang okay yung animation nito, So, ngayon parang mas, selective na lang sila. So, ayun nga, ang wish ko lang din dito is, like the next season kasi sayang yung world building yung effort ng author
Mm.
din kung magiging gano'n yung quality ng animation. Yeah, but, I'm not here to, give our viewers like a spoiler, like full spoiler. Kasi ang lawak ng lore niya, ang daming opportunities to expand it. May like 10,000, 2,000 years lore siyang parang nakahanda na, sinet up niya na hanggang sa kaapu-apuhan pa ng main character. Medyo controversial din siya kasi maraming mga elements na let's say naging part ng anime, like yung mga perverted behaviors kasi alam niyo naman sa mga ecchi type ng anime, may mga parang let's say playful na sexual act. And
Yep.
somehow 'di ba pag sa mga artists, mga writers, you want to just let them cook kung anong trip nila. Kasi part yan ng
Tama yan.
freedom nila eh. So, isa pa yung slavery kasi parang may part doon na force silang bumili ng slave sa slave market. Kasi parang walang talent sa magic yung friend niya, kailangan nila ng someone na madaling turuan or trainable mag-magic, which is I believe coming from I'm not sure kung elf siya or human race, basta ang goal nila is dapat mas bata. So batang slave para ma-train nila turuan ng magic para gumawa ng sculpture. Of course, ito alam to ng lahat ng mga nakapanood is yung polygamy. Siyempre eventually sa anime magkakaroon siya ng 3 asawa dito. So yeah, 3 wives.
Ayos
Harem style.
Na-disturb ako sa reaction nito. May ayos Parang gusto mo rin 'to?
What I'm trying to kasi 'di ba, yung nagde-develop sa isipan ko yung niya yung isip ng author
Ito medyo heavy kasi sa grooming part. Parang pino-project niya na parang magiging partner niya to like someday. Arguably, siguro baka yun ang dating sa iba. Kasi parang para sa akin kasi walang manipulation na involved. Pero we all know like all things that I mentioned wala to sa sa norm. Sa reality ibang na-mention ko dito, it's bad, grooming, slavery, there's no place for that sa totoong buhay, di ba? So
Ano
dito
naman kasi, sorry, fantasy setting naman kasi to. So
yes.
It's really different. So I don't really get the people who's like making this really controversial, right?
Yeah.
Kasi if you don't like the themes of the media or of the anime, then just don't watch it. You know? Kung ganito kasi yung trip nung artist, 'di ba? Let it be. Kahit naman yung mga mga hentai na movies or na mangas and all of that. If you really don't like it, then don't
watch it.
Don't watch it, don't read it at all. Kaysa magrereklamo ka, 'di ba?
Yun, since hindi afraid ang author mag-explore na pwedeng iba't ibang elements na pwedeng maging let's say disturbing sa ibang tao, but again it's part of art. So and sabi nga ni Sid, it's fictional, come on. Yeah, before he got transported to this magical world, he was like a piece of trash. He got bullied so hard na to the point na di na siya lalabas ng bahay. Ganun yung nangyari sa kanya. Since naging shut-in nga siya sa kwarto, wala siyang pakialam sa ibang tao. Kahit namatay na yung parents niya, nung funeral ng parents niya, he was like busy masturbating. Ganun ang ginagawa niya. So, gaganon ka bold yung author dito eh. Last takeaway ko lang dito sa Mushoku Tensei is yung, let's say, the lesson din. Kasi it's gonna teach you to be that man of na kayang bumawi from your from your previous life or your old self.